Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the red button right down there. And go over and click that notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. I have new and exciting things coming this year and I want you to be a part of it. So yeah, so today I have my Ipsy and my Sephora play unboxing. And I can't wait to get into these. It feel like this month it took so long for it to come, but it's here now. So I'm ready to get into it. And you know this month we go ahead and start with the Ipsy. Because I can't wait. So let's go ahead and open this together. Up there. And this is the bag for this month. This is February, for the month of February. And I absolutely like it. I love the color. And then I let you know girl love lace. What girl? Me love lace. So yes, and cute. You know, it always says Ipsy. They have a cute little thing that they do and put their little stamp on it by putting the Ipsy. So I really like it. Okay, so let's get into the products. The card for this month, it says unzip, and it's being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. So you be sexy and embrace everything you are. So embrace you. And then they have the card now in their comfortable state, which is great. So yes, be you. Embrace everything about you. Love yourself. I love myself, so you should love yourself. So this is unzipped. Okay. Cute, cute. I guess that's where they get the lace from because everybody's supposed to. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start with this. So this is moisturizer for your face. So this is for your neck and your forehead, all over your face. So you moisturize. And yeah, and it's for dry and combination. So if you're oily and if you're dry, it's a combination. Leaves your skin nourished, soft, and it supplies. So yay, moisturizer. Next up is this Beauty's Basics. And this is eyeshadow. Yeah, this is an eyeshadow. And it is in Sweet Taffy Foiled Eyeshadow is what it says there. So let's take it out the packaging. And I love the colors in the packaging. And here it is here. So eyeshadow. Oh, yes. I love all the pinks, the reddish, this type of family is really cute. It's called Sweet Taffy. And look at that. So you know we're going to swatch it. Yes, a girl can't get. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, yes, that is pretty. Yeah, I love that. So far, so good. Next up, this is Ipsy Unzip. Oh, they have long-lasting lipstick. And this is from Ofra. And this is how it comes. Pinkish colors. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you, swatch it here. See what that, ooh, that's pretty. All right. So that's it there. The color is really, really pretty right there. Similar to what I have on today. Next, this is Luxie. And it's a brush. It's brushes. So I'm excited about this one. Luxie, it's a Luxie 249 brush. And then it has the crease here. And it's to put on eyeshadow. So crease it up and then pack it on. So cool. You know I love brushes, so they can send me brushes all the time. Last but not least, this is this Meteor Shower by Black. And I did receive something else from them. This is how it looks. So this is basically your scrub. This is exfoliation. It nourishes and rebalance your skin. Leaves your body smooth. Supply airy scented results. So this keeps your skin really scrubbed. So you go in and you shower and then you use the scrub, rinse it off and clean, pat down your body and you should be good to go. Yay. Yay for the scrub. Okay. So yes, those are the 5 products. The eyeshadow, you know girl love brushes, the lipstick, the scrub, yes, the scrub, and the moisturizer. So this product was pretty good this month. I would rate this one an 8. They did a really good job with the selection that they chose. I'm happy with it. And it's an 8. To play by Sephora. Open it. Open it. so let's go ahead and open this. And you know, like it says, tricks, tips, and beauty hacks, Sephora.com/play by Sephora. And this month it has the cutest one. It says your eyeliner is a work of art. And a yes. So this is for February. It has all of the themes here, as you can see. You look 100, and then about your highlights, makeup, and everything like that. And then my favorite part of it all is the 50 points of Beauty Insider points, which, yay, who doesn't love extra points? Feel the love, hashtag Sephora Play. And it has the cute heart. So let's go through the products that we received this month. This is Believe in Truth. Yeah, moisturizing eye balm is a lightweight eye cream for boosting, moisturizing, and refreshing long-looking eyes. So this is to keep your eyes looking long-looking all day. And I just like to rub it in to see how, okay, it feels so soft on your skin. I always test them out to see if like my moisturizers and my ice cream is heavy on my skin, because I don't like that feel. So I like it to be a little soft, which this one is. I like it to be lightweight. So cool. Okay, so under eye, this is more like under eye lightweight. So it is lightweight eye cream. Next up is Hello Fabulous. This is a ginger turnip jelly mask. Oh, and this is a mask, this jelly mask for your face. I haven't ever tried jelly mask, so this would be good to try. And it's basically just apply layer to your clean skin, avoid your eye area, let it sit on your face for 10 minutes, then rinse it off with the washcloth and wash. Use it 3 times a week. And it's for comfortable, bright, stressed out skin. So it's supposed to help your skin rejuvenate and revitalize, which is great. Next is this Lancome Dramatic Liquid Pencil. Oh, eyeliner. So this is occasion for eyeliner. This is a dramatic one. And it's in black. Look at that. Yes. The packaging on that. It's like this silver and you can see right through it. Yeah, so this is it. This is an eyeliner dramatic liquid. So it comes off, it's supposed to come off as like a liquid. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't, it comes on very smooth, which I like. I like it. So yay. Next up, we have this Sephora. And look at the packaging on that. This is the Rouge Creamy Lip Stain. So here it is. Ooh, that's pretty. Silky lightweight formula is a bright classic red that lasts from day to night. And who cannot go wrong with red? You know, this is the month of love, so of course you're going to be getting a lot of reds. Ooh, that's pretty. That red is gorgeous, so yay. And next is, this is Sephora. This is the Roach, but this is in Matte Rebel Chic berry color. And wow, you guys. Ooh, yes, you know I love berries and cherries and all these colors. So that is really cute. And this one is matte. That is pretty. Last but not least, the Flower Bomb by Victor. This is the perfume of the month. Okay. And I love receiving this because of the Sephora Play, the 50 points to see what they have and then to get their amazing samples. I've been absolutely loving these. They give you some great scents. Oh, that smells, okay, that smells good. Okay, so this one is Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf, which is, here it is here. So that's the packaging, which is cute, and then it smells amazing. Oh, I like that. It's like that floral scent. And then here's the picture inside. Really nice, really boom, smells pop in the room. So yes, those are 6 products of the month, which the berry matte lipstick, the lip stain in red, eye cream, and then the ginger jelly face mask. and then the perfume. So yes, this was a really good one this month. I would rate this one also an 8. They were pretty good for February. So both of them were good, and I'll give them both 8. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.